Hi everyone, it's Rebecca with DermDox Dermatology. One of the few questions that I always hear when it comes to Botox, how often should I get Botox done? The thing with Botox is it's a maintenance treatment. So typically it lasts anywhere from 3 to 4 months depending on how your body metabolizes it. The first time you get it done, there's no way of really knowing how long it's going to last, so you kind of have to gauge it on that. Some people it lasts longer, some people it lasts shorter. Really just depends on you. The second question would be with fillers, how long they last. Again, very dependent on you and how you metabolize them. As a general rule of thumb, I say anywhere from 6 to 12 months, depending on your body and how you metabolize it. I always say on the first injection, it's probably going to last on the shorter end because with fillers, each injection kind of builds on the previous injections because you're stimulating collagen to reform with those injections. So again, very dependent on you, but it's all maintenance treatments, so they're ongoing. You have to keep doing them. Once you get it done once, you know, they're not going to last forever. You do have to keep doing this. If you're interested in any of those treatments, we would be willing to evaluate you here in the office and look forward to seeing you if you are interested.